Welcome to Coventina Vineyards. This unique offering provides a buyer with an organic vineyard, home site, brand, and a robust wine inventory. The 10-acre vineyard has a track record of producing award-winning Pinot Noir and Tempranillo. This is one of the premier vineyards within the Rogue Valley. With a combination of Rogue River irrigation and Oregon Tilth-certified organic loam soils, no expense was spared in the establishment of the vines. Set in a private and picturesque valley with stunning mountain views, the rolling topography provides not only a beautiful setting, but a premium canvas for growing estate-quality wine grapes. At 880 feet above sea level, the climate is sought after, with 4 distinct seasons including a mild winter and a long growing season. The offering includes the brand with all intellectual property, as well as the inventory with over 3,000 cases of wine included. Southern Oregon is known for its stunning natural beauty, abundant water, developing wine industry, and niche agricultural opportunities, all with a rich small-town culture. This property is ready for the new owners to start or expand their agribusiness, build their dream vineyard estate, have their own wine label, or all three. Thank you for touring Coventina Vineyards with us today.